Hello and welcome back to Fishy Beta Queen. My name is Shalini and I am your host. And today we are talking about, can a beta fish live with goldfish part 1. When you first get your beta, you may be wondering what fish can live with it. Goldfish are some of the most popular fish around. So you may be wondering, can a betta fish live with goldfish? While there are both hardy fish, keeping them together may not be such a good idea. Now I am going to tell why should you avoid keeping a betta fish and goldfish together. Due to a fact, betta fish need warmer temperature than goldfish. They need clean water, whereas goldfish are extremely dirty. Goldfish need much bigger tank, 30 gallons or more, and also because goldfish are quick eaters and fin nippers. It's definitely not recommended to keep betta fish with goldfish. If you're still not happy with the answer, you should watch my full video. First is the temperature difference. Betta fish are true tropical fish, needing warm water to survive and be happy. On the other hand, goldfish are cold water fish. To put in, bettas can survive in water between 76 to 82 degree Fahrenheit. However, goldfish prefer temperature between 68 to 74 degree Fahrenheit. As you can see, this is a big difference. You may be thinking that you can just meet the middle at 75 degree Fahrenheit. But this is definitely not recommended. 76 degree Fahrenheit is already the very borderline in which betta can survive. And ideally you want to keep the temperature in the tank at 78 degree Fahrenheit. Once the temperature falls below 76 degree Fahrenheit, it's going to start doing a lot of damage to your betta. If it doesn't go into temperature shock, which is often fatal, then the metabolism will slow down. A slow metabolism means you need much more likely to get constipated and swim bladder disease. It will also increase the stress which can cause the whole range of illness. You will also become much more lethargic and prone to fin rot. This is because blood will have trouble flowing to the outer areas of your betta. On the other hand, if a goldfish is kept in temperature that is too hot, then you are also likely to suffer from temperature shock. And if they don't scramble the temperature stock, then their increased metabolism is going to create a lot of stress to their body, which can also result in illness or disease of some kind. Lastly, An increase in metabolism due to the extreme heat will reduce a goldfish lifespan and dramatically. Secondly, is the goldfish dirty and betas need clean water. Another problem is goldfish are extremely dirty fish. Having a goldfish in a tank increases the chances of ammonia spike dramatically. And while betas are hardy fish, they are extremely sensitive to ammonia poisoning, which can quickly kill them. But it is not just the ammonia poisoning that can be a problem. Keeping the tank clean itself can often affect your beta. Due to how often dirty goldfish are, they need frequent water changes. These frequent water changes are going to stress your beta out and affect its immune system. So as you see, you are going to have choose between keeping your tank clean and stressing your beta, or not cleaning it as often and risking ammonia poisoning. As well as keeping the tank clean, you are also going to have to strong filter to help reduce amount of ammonia in your tank. While goldfish doesn't mind a strong filter, your betas have trouble swimming and be more stressed out. And I will do part 2 of this video.